BISINGTWI Tong ribo tong thai kirikha than sa manyani tong ribo tong thai kirikha than sa manyani hayu muru muru jora shachlai furu hayu muru muru jora shachlai furu ajai khabo shongo Manishulu, 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 Manishulu. Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram, Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram, Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram. Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram. Ki filkha nai shintoma shantini khakamani. Mekang kerikha, bumong kerikha, tong gerong gerong-yani. Mekang kerikha, bumong kerikha, tong gerong gerong-yani. Hodano thum shalui, da phano mang liui. Hodano thum shalui, da phano mang liui. Bosong kotorima nang funog lang na funog lang na funog lang na funog lang na. Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram, Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram, Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram, Bir Bikram, BUBAGRA Bir Bikram.
The day and what message you would give on this day?
As you all know, for a very long time, when Maharaja celebrated, we tried to celebrate his 100th birthday. Before that, nobody even, gave much importance to Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya. We were the first to start the initiative. As an organization, we had a lot of people who came because they recognized that Maharaja, despite all the difficulties that they were in the last century, he struggled hard to unite all the people of Tripura and do a lot for the development of the state. And not just the state, he helped people from outside as well, as we all know. And in all the different fields, he modernized Tripura. And what we see today of present day Tripura is all thanks to Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya. So today on his birthday, we would like to pray that, his name should go on for all the good work that he's done. And I hope this will be a message for all the people of the state to come together, to work together for the welfare of the people, because this is what Maharaja endeavored to do. His soul would be in peace if he knows that the people of Tripura are still together and they still love him and respect the family. So this is what I wish to say, and I wish everybody also a very happy holiday on Maharaja's birthday, because we are glad that today it's also a state holiday. Right. That is another thing we had endeavored for a long time, and we've achieved that. And I hope in the future we'll continue to follow this and become, one people and march together for progress of the state.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.